Guys, I'm gonna make some epic coconut macaroon brownies today. I'm gonna show you the best tips to get there. I'm gonna start by chopping my chocolate. I usually use dark chocolate to make these brownies. You're gonna chop it at like speed 9 until they're really nice and small chunks. After that, we're gonna add in our butter and we're gonna melt this mixture really nicely. If you have got the chocolate all over the bowl, just give it a nice scrape. And then we're gonna melt this and then add in our next ingredients. Now that the chocolate is melted, we're going to add in our other ingredients. I've got my eggs here. Remember, I always use large eggs. I'm going to add most of the sugar in, not all of it though. And I'm going to add in some salt and some vanilla extract. I'm going to add in some flour. And that's it. And now we're going to mix this for a little while and then we're going to bake it. Mixture is done, really, really simple. Now we're gonna pour that mixture into our prepared tin. I'm gonna show you how I do that. I just have a 20 centimeter square tin that I lined with some greaseproof paper. And then I'm gonna pour in my nice brownie mixture. And then we're gonna bake this in the oven for around about 20 minutes until it's quite stiff. At which point we're going to add in our coconut macaroon mixture, which I'm going to show you how to make now. While our brownies are baking, I'm going to make the coconut macaroon mixture, and I'm literally just going to pop in the rest of the sugar. I'm going to put in my egg white and some desiccated, or you could use shredded coconut. I'm just going to combine this. Should make quite a crumbly mixture. And then we're going to pop this on top of our brownies as soon as they're almost baked. Our brownies are almost cooked and I'm going to take this mixture now. It's a coconut macaroon mixture that we've just prepared. I'm just going to drop that right on top. And you just need to sprinkle it sort of everywhere a little bit. Just be careful not to damage the brownie at all as you are sprinkling this on. And just be very nice and gentle with this entire thing. Like that. Perfect. And now this is just going to go back in for a little while longer and then we're done with our brownies. Coconut is brown and the brownies are coconutted, so it's done. And it's time to get into the brownies. Right, let's have a little look. This looks amazing. Look at that. That's exactly what you want. A wonderfully perfect coconut macaroon on top of a wonderfully perfect brownie. Let's cut into it, shall we? They're still like super duper hot, but I usually can't wait for these things to cool down. And actually, a brownie is meant to be eaten quite warm. Let's just check this out. The coconut mixture will actually just stick onto it more as it cools down, so don't be too worried if it's not perfect yet. Ooh. Now that, folks, is a nice brownie. See, it's nice and soft, perfectly cooked. Let me just bite right into it. Right, that's a really, really good brownie. So this wonderfully gooey, amazing brownie is the result of, I think, two of my most favorite things, most favorite ingredients: chocolate, coconut. Love it. So if you want to make that, go ahead and follow the link on the recipe below and subscribe to my YouTube for more amazing videos. Thank you so much, guys.